Welcome back again, guys. Today is the second day in our drawing attempts. Today we're going to look at the angle bisectors. Everybody take a moment, think to yourself, what is an angle bisector? Well, if you remember, an angle bisector is a line, segment, or ray that cuts an angle in half. We're going to practice drawing those in our triangles today. You should have some more graph paper, a ruler, and today we'll be needing a protractor. So let's start out by doing the same thing we did yesterday. Go ahead and create two sets of axes. The scale doesn't really matter. Draw it all the way to the top, to the bottom. So you can see my axes are drawn. Let's go up by ones. So start at 1, go up 2, 3, 4, and so on. My axis goes out to 14. Do the same thing with your Y. And just go on up to about 15. Okay, so we need another triangle. Let's make a triangle with the first vertice at 2, 5. So go over 2 on your x-axis, up 5 on your y-axis. Label that the point A. We need another vertice. Let's have a vertice at, let's say 6, 13. Label that vertice point B. Then let's have another vertice at 11, 1. Label that point C. After you've plotted your 3 points, go ahead and connect them to make a triangle. Make sure you measure as carefully as you can. I think we seen yesterday how just a tiny bit of measurement can throw off your lines. So you should have a triangle with vertices 2, 5, 6, 13, and 11, 1. Take a moment and fill those in if you haven't already. Okay, so let's proceed with filling in our angle bisectors. The way we have to draw an angle bisector is by using your handy dandy protractor. We need to measure each of these angles. But what I would like you to do, since we're going to use them later, somewhere out of the way, mark the measure of angle ACB. That's this angle. The measure of angle ABC. That would be this angle. And the measure of angle BAC. That is this angle. Measure each of these and write them in. So what we do, line up the 0 mark. Let me hold it up closer so we can see. This 0 mark and this edge needs to go along one side of your triangle. What you'll do is put your center point at the vertice, and where the other segment comes across, somewhere around here, or if your protractor is equipped with one of these jobs, you can use that. I prefer not to because I think it's easier without it. Let's measure each angle and write those in. So we're lining up the side, putting my dot in the center. And it looks like this first angle is about 43 degrees. That's the angle ACB. Let's measure the second angle. Again, put the center of your protractor on the vertice. Line up this side with this side of your triangle. Okay, it looks like this side is about 89 degrees. Or I'm sorry, this angle is about 89 degrees. That's the angle BAC. We shouldn't need to measure the last angle, but let's go ahead and do it anyway. Line up that little hole in your protractor on the vertice. Line up this side with this side of your triangle. It looks like that is about 48 degrees.